Let's talk about how to do the mattress seam when we are joining two pieces horizontally. What we will first want to do is we put our either cast on or bind off edges together, and we will insert our needle up through that very first V-stitch. We'll pull our yarn through, leaving a tail end to weave in later. Then what we will want to do is we will want to go to our piece up here, and we want to loop through the very first V-stitch going around it. Then we want to come back into the center V-stitch we just did, under and back up through the center of the next V-stitch. Pull your yarn through. We can kind of start to see how this will be joined. Then on our top piece, we want to go back into the spot we last came out of, underneath, and up in between that next V-stitch on top. And then we repeat those steps. Into the center of the V-stitch on the bottom, under and up through the next V-stitch. Now we do the same again on the top. As we continue to work these stitches across using those steps, you can see that we're creating what is kind of like a mock stitch. And if these were all the same color, it would pretty much be invisible. We're going to go down to the center of the V-stitch, come up, under and up the next center of the V-stitch. Then on the top, we will be doing the same where we insert right back where we last came out of, around that stitch and out the other side. You would continue this all the way across your work, and on the back side we can see how these are joined together quite nicely. And obviously if it was the same color of yarn, it would be invisible. I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing here. And we're working almost like a knit mock stitch across, and it's a very nice join for the horizontal mattress seam.